Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video, where we will be discussing 10 relationship tips specifically tailored to Taurus individuals. As a Taurus, you value stability, loyalty, and commitment in your relationships, and these tips will help you navigate romantic relationships with ease. Additionally, if you're interested in learning more about astrology and how it can impact your relationships, make sure to subscribe to Moonivated Astrologers for more content and insights. Now let's get into this video. Number 1, take your time. As a Taurus, you tend to be cautious when it comes to relationships, which is a good thing. Take the time to get to know someone before diving into a commitment. Number 2, don't settle. You value stability, but that doesn't mean you should settle for someone who doesn't meet your needs. Make sure you're with someone who shares your values and priorities. Number 3, communicate openly. Taurus individuals tend to be private, but communication is key to a healthy relationship. Make sure to express your feelings and needs to your partner. Number 4, be patient. Your stubbornness can sometimes cause issues in relationships, but patience is key. Learn to compromise and be open to different perspectives. Number 5, show your affection. Taurus individuals tend to be very loving and affectionate, so make sure to express your love to your partner through physical touch, words of affirmation, and quality time. Number 6, build trust. Trust is essential in any relationship, and Taurus individuals value loyalty above all else. Be honest with your partner and honor your commitments. Number 7, embrace change. As a fixed sign, Taurus individuals can sometimes resist change. But change is inevitable, so be open to new experiences and opportunities in your relationship. Number 8, prioritize self-care. Taurus individuals tend to give a lot to their relationships, but don't forget to take care of yourself. Make time for your hobbies, interests, and self-care routines. Number 9, be generous. Taurus individuals tend to be very generous, so show your partner that you care through small gestures like cooking them dinner or buying them a thoughtful gift. Number 10, keep the romance alive. Taurus individuals tend to value comfort and stability, but don't forget to keep the romance alive in your relationship. Plan date nights and surprise your partner with thoughtful gestures to keep the spark alive. Thank you for tuning in today and learning more about how Taurus individuals can improve their relationships with these 10 helpful tips. Remember, communication, patience, and affection are key components to building strong and healthy relationships. If you're interested in learning more about how astrology can impact your relationships, make sure to subscribe to Moonivated Astrologers for more content and insights. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.